Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to explain you satellite communications. So first of all, understand that what is satellite communications. If communication takes place between any two earth stations through a satellite, then it is called as satellite communication. So in satellite communications we use electromagnetic waves as a carrier signals. In this communication, EM waves are used as carrier signals. These signals can carry any type of information such as voice, audio, video, or any other data between the ground and space. These signals carry information such as voice, audio, video, or any other data between ground and space. Vice versa means that either we are sending data from ground to space or space to ground. So this is the basic information about the satellite communications. So satellite communications means that transferring of information from ground station to space and space to ground stations using satellites. So in the next questions, what is a satellite? Okay, a satellite is a smaller object that revolves around a larger object in space. So There are two types of satellites. One is natural satellite and other one is artificial satellite. So natural satellites means that like moon is revolving around the earth. So moon is a satellite of earth. Second, the artificial satellites are sent by man in space for transferring of information. These are man-made satellite. So next is what is a communication. So what are the definitions of the communications? So communication basically refer to exchange or sharing of information between two or more entities through any medium or channel. Suppose two persons are talking to each other, they are sending and receiving the information. So these are also known as the communications. If we are sending data from our mobile to another network, then they are communicating to each other because they are sharing the information. So basically communications to the exchange of information between two or more entities. Through any medium or channel. Okay, as we have already discussed, if the communication take place between two earth stations through a satellite, then this is called as a satellite communications. Okay, need of satellites. Why we need the satellites for the communications? So this one is the very important to understand the satellite communications. Why we need it? Why the satellites are used for communications? So the first reason is ground wave propagations. Okay, so generally we use ground wave propagations for exchanging of informations. Okay, clear? Next is in ground wave propagations there are some limitations. We can communicate to one device to another device in a limited distance. That is why ground wave propagations has limitations. We cannot communicate for far distances. And second one is sky wave propagations. Sky wave propagation. In sky wave propagations, we use ionosphere properties of the earth for the communications. So in ground wave propagations we can use the frequencies up to 30 megahertz, while in sky wave propagations 30 to 40 megahertz. But in both these ground wave propagation and sky wave propagations we cannot communicate up to far distances. Okay, uh, I want to give you a figure. Up to 1500 kilometer we can communicate. So these are the limitations. That is why we need satellite communication to overcome these limitations. Okay, so this is the important point. We can communicate up to 1500 kilometer in both communications overcome these limitations. We use satellite communication. How? Okay, then the next thing we are going to understand how a satellite works. How a satellite works. So satellite is a body that moves around another body in a particular path. A communication is nothing but a microwave repeater stations in space. So satellite act as a repeater stations in space. Okay, so satellite act as a repeater stations. And what repeater stations do? Repeater stations receive the signals and transmit it. So first point is a satellite act as a repeater station and repeater station receive the signal and retransmit it. Retransmits it. So in satellite so In satellite, act as repeater and the device name is transponder. Okay students, in this video lecture we have studied what is satellite, why we need the satellite, and how the satellite is used for the communications. Thank you students for watching this video. Goodbye.